reports that follow GAPE and provide a financial summary of an organization's activities.
Clear logic. Your choice, financial accounting, is sound and 100% true.
Accounts that continuing existing even after the end of the accounting year are known as?
Great thinking. Real accounts is the right choice.
How many inventory account that reported in financial position for managerial accounting?
Excellent choice. 3 is the right answer.
Process whereby cost items are charged direct to a cost unit or cost center is known as?
Good thinking. Cost allocation is the right answer.
From the following, which one of them relates to tools and techniques of cost accounting? Strong choice. Budgetary control is the right answer.
Financial data cannot be analyzed and interpreted by which of the following accounting?
Good job. Your answer, financial accounting, works well here.
Primarily concerned with external users and reports pertain to the entity as a whole.
On track. Financial accounting is the correct answer. There are no specific rules and procedures to be followed in this type of accounting.
You got it? Your choice, managerial accounting, is right.
Investors who will invest their funds in companies need information produced by Dash.
Great job. Financial accounting system is the accurate answer.
Which branch of accounting is more valuable for making decisions about the future?
Sharp thinking. Managerial accounting is the right choice.
Which of the following characteristics does not pertain to management accounting?
Nice selection. Has externally imposed standards is the correct and valid answer.
Managerial accounting applies to each of the following types of businesses except. You chose managerial accounting applies to all types of firms, and it is correct. Which of the following 3 graphics describes a cost center accounting process? You're right. Graphic 1 is the correct answer. Management accounting is concerned with accounting information that is useful to. Correct response. Managers is the most accurate answer. Management accounting is the branch of accounting concerned with reporting to. Exactly. Internal managers make sense, and it is right choice. Which one of the following is not an external user of accounting information? Right again. Manager is a valid answer. What is the similarity between managerial accounting and financial accounting? Perfect. Both providing information for decision-making purposes is the correct choice. The following statements regarding management accounting are true, except. Right choice. Emphasizes thoroughness and objectivity is the best answer. What are the 4 elements of the roadmap to preparing a financial model? Or valid point, goals, outputs, information and business rules is true.
The following are the characteristics of managerial accounting except 1.
Excellent. Audited is a brilliant choice. What is the similarity of financial accounting and managerial accounting? Nicely done. Record and report financial information from business transactions is a solid answer. These activities include transactions and events that affect net income. Bravo! Operating activities is the answer.
Which type of accounting deals with the total cost of owning an asset?
Well done. Life cycle costing is the right choice.
Managerial accounting is an important aid to assist the management in.
Well reasoned. Both decision-making and control is the correct choice.
Is the measure of resources given up to achieve a particular purpose?
Smart move. Cost is an accurate answer.
Common users of managerial accounting reports include the following.
Solid response. Chief Financial Officer and Operations Manager is a valid choice. Financial accounting provides the primary source of information for. Smart pick. Preparing the income statement for shareholders is the correct choice. Management accounting differs from financial accounting in that dash.
Well picked. A, B, and C are true is the correct answer.
Publication of reports is compulsory in which type of accounting?
Correct. Financial accounting is the right answer.
What is the characteristics of managerial accounting information?
Nice work. You chose all of above and it is correct.
The following are not users of cost accounting information dash.
Valid point. Tax office is true. Which of the following does not describe management accounting? Well reasoned. Externally focused is the correct choice. Which of the following is not a goal of managerial accounting?
Clear logic. Your choice provide information needed for creditors is sound and 100% true.
Which of the following is not part of the accounting process? Correct. Increase the income of the company is the right answer. Which is not one of the 4 areas of managerial accounting? Correct response. Performing a trial balance is the most accurate answer. Dash is devoted to providing information for external users.
Well picked. Financial accounting is the correct answer.
Managerial accounting information is generally prepared for.
Nicely done. Managers is a solid answer.
When managerial accounting report is needed to be prepared.
Sharp thinking. Whenever required by manager is the right choice. Which is considered a major area of managerial accounting?
Strong choice. All are considered major areas is the right answer.
The benefits of management accounting information include
Solid response. All of the above is a valid choice.
Dash accounting is emphasizes reporting to external users.
Nice work. You chose financial and it is correct.
Coordinating various business activities is possible with.
Excellent. Managerial accounting is a brilliant choice.
The purpose of preparation of managerial accounting is to
Exactly. Assist manager in planning and control the business operation makes sense, and it is right choice.
which is not a characteristic of management accounting. Perfect. External focus is the correct choice. Which of these is not an objective of cost accounting? Well done. Assisting shareholders in decision-making is the right choice. Accounting is broadly divided into how many branches? You chose 3,
And it is correct. Management accounting guides dash on decision making.
Great thinking. Managers is the right choice.
Who is the user of managerial accounting information?
Smart move. Managers is an accurate answer.
A distinguishing feature of managerial accounting is
Smart pick. Very detailed reports is the correct choice.
who is the target audience of managerial accounting?
Bravo. Internal managers is the answer.
What is the essential aspect of project accounting?
Good thinking. Identifying all resources involved is the right answer.
It is a process where financial reports are written.
Right choice. Financial statement is the best answer.
Managerial accounting reports can be described as
Right again. Special purpose is a valid answer.
In managerial accounting, the data provided can be
On track. Both qualitative and quantitative is the correct answer.
which branch of accounting is heavily regulated?
Nice selection. Financial accounting is the correct and valid answer.
what is the priority in managerial accounting?
Excellent choice. Being relevant and timely is the right answer.
Managerial accounting is designed for use by
You got it? Your choice internal users is right.
The function of setting goals and objectives.
Great job. Planning is the accurate answer.
the main purpose of financial accounting is
You're right. To provide financial information to shareholders is the correct answer.
the roles of managerial accountant includes
Good job. Your answer, all of the above, works well here.
decision making is part of dash accounting.
Well done. Management is the right choice.
Managerial accounting best reports to whom?
Sharp thinking. Managers is the right choice. What is the scope of managerial accounting?
Solid response. Narrow. Focusing on specific departments and cost centers is a valid choice.
Basic objectives of cost accounting is dash.
Correct. Cost ascertainment is the right answer. Which are true about management accounting?
You chose places emphasis on future, and it is correct.
Dash is an example of managerial accounting.
Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer.
What is the focus of financial accounting?
Nicely done. Reporting on past transactions and events is a solid answer.
Both financial and management accounting.
You got it? Your choice use the same information system is right.
Management accountant plays a key role by
Well picked. All the above is the correct answer.
financial accounting does not follow gap.
Clear logic. Your choice false is sound and 100% true.
Managerial accounting does not encompass.
You're right. Calculating earnings per share is the correct answer.
Decision maker for managerial accounting.
Excellent. Managers is a brilliant choice.
The primary focus of lean accounting is
Great job. Reducing waste is the accurate answer.
The managerial function of controlling.
Right choice. Includes performance evaluation by management is the best answer.
Financial accounting is concerned with.
Smart move. All of them is an accurate answer.
Planning is a function that involves.
Nice work. You chose setting goals and objectives for an entity, and it is correct.
Cost accounting is concerned with.
Well reasoned. All of the above is the correct choice.
What is management accounting?
Bravo. All the above is the answer.
Managerial accounting is. Smart pick. Used for internal users is the correct choice.
What does GAPE mean?
Valid point. Generally accepted accounting principles is true. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Nice selection. Contact Narayan Chengder is the correct and valid answer.